to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a quick spaghetti jollof, and when I say quick, it's so quick and it's so easy and it's hassle free. So everything is going to be going into one pot. I've just added chopped tomato, and into that I added puree tomato, and I've got the ginger and garlic paste here, and I'll be adding paprika. So this is paprika going in, and this is chicken bouillon stock, so that's salt, and I've got my herbs going in. This is oregano, got oregano going in, and I've got thyme. So here's the onions going in, and I've got scotch bonnet. So into this I'm going to add some oil, and then mix everything together. So I'm adding a little hot water just to loosen everything up, just to make it loose. So I'm going to cover this up and put it in the oven for 40 minutes at 170 degrees. So I don't need to fry anything. This will cook on its own before I add the spaghetti. So I've just added spaghetti into boiling water, and this spaghetti is not going to cook. I'm just using the hot water to separate the spaghetti so that it doesn't clump together before I start adding it to the sauce. Once it's separated, I'll turn off the heat and drain it because I need it hard. It's going to soak up the sauce and cook in the sauce that we are cooking in the oven. So I've just brought out the sauce, and you can see how the sauce is looking. Look at that. You can taste for more seasonings if needed. At this stage I'm going to add chopped mixed peppers. So I'm using the green and the red bell peppers. And into this I'm going to add some dash of Worcester sauce. So I'm adding the spaghetti. To add a little water from the spaghetti, the water that I used to boil the spaghetti, just a little, then mix it together. So I'm going to cover this and put it back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes on a lower heat. So this will be about 150. See, this spaghetti is looking so silky. Look at that. Look at that. The oven makes it, gives it a kind of softness, not mushy, kind of softness that it just melts in your mouth. So the thing about this one pot spaghetti jollof is that you avoid the splattering of the sauce when you're frying it, and the burning. You just put it in the oven and that's it. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for always visiting my channel. I do appreciate you all, and do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.